Stephanie here from my prints collection, the place where you will find lettering and illustration tutorials. In this tutorial we are going to create a mandala gradient effect using the Mandala Set. The link will be in the description below, as well as a sample of this set if you want to try it out. If you like this kind of tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. The materials that I'm using are the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, the Apple Pencil, and the software is called Procreate, which is available in the App Store. I'm going to open the Procreate app. I'm using a screen size Canva. You can use any size that you want. And the colors that I'll be using for this tutorial are these ones. I will go through the values as we progress in this tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to add a new layer and I'm going to change the background to this color over here, tap, hold. And the values for this color are D, F, D, A, D0. I'm going to tap, hold, and drag to fill this out. And now I'm going to add a new layer on top of this one. Select the color black. And I'm going to choose a stamp from the collection. I'm going to go with this mandala over here. You have plenty of stamps to choose from. And I'm going to stamp, select, and I'm going to just center this over here. So I'm happy with this. And now we want to create this nice blue gradient. So on top of this layer, I'm going to add a new layer. And I'm going to select a brush. It's a default brush, the medium hard blend from the airbrushing set. It's a default brush. And I'm going to select this color over here. The values for this color are 044170. I'm going to go with a darker blue and then a lighter blue. So with the brush selected, I'm going to paint over here. And now I'm going to select this color over here. And the values for this one are 5C87B0. And I'm going to paint over here. And the final color, the values are A8BED1. And I'm going to paint to make sure that everything is filled out. So this looks a little bit weird right now, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my layers, click on the layer and select clipping mask. And it has created a clipping mask on my mandala. But I want to blur this a little bit because I don't like these lines over here. So with the same layer selected, I'm going to go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur layer, and I'm going to swipe this to the right until my liking. So let's go with 29%. And now to add a little bit more to this, I'm going to go to my mandala, duplicate this one. I'm going to click and I'm going to tap to create kind of a shadow effect. And I'm going to blur this a little bit. So I'm going to go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, blur this a little bit. Let's go with 4%. And I'm going to reduce the opacity of the layer just a little bit, around 50%. And we are done. We have created a mandala with a gradient effect using the Mandala Set. If you want to check this set, a link will be in the description, as well as a sample if you want to try the set out. If you think that this tutorial was useful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified when a new tutorial is published. If you decide to try this tutorial and share it on social media, make sure to tag me so that I can send you some love. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations!